Welcome back to Lifestyle Projection. If it is your first time, please like, share and subscribe. Cloves, known for their aromatic flavor and medicinal properties, are packed with nutrients and offer numerous health benefits. Here's a detailed look at their advantages. Health benefits. 1. Rich in antioxidants. Cloves are high in antioxidants, particularly eugenol, which helps fight oxidative stress and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. 2. Supports digestive health. Cloves stimulate the secretion of digestive enzymes, aiding in better digestion and reducing bloating and gas. 3. Boosts immune system. Their antimicrobial properties strengthen the immune system and help the body fight infections. 4. Anti-inflammatory properties. Eugenol in cloves reduces inflammation, which can benefit conditions like arthritis and muscle pain. 5. Relieves toothache. Clove oil or powder is a natural remedy for toothaches, thanks to its numbing and antibacterial properties. 6. Promotes respiratory health. Cloves help clear mucus and are beneficial in treating coughs, colds, and asthma. 7. Regulates blood sugar. Compounds in cloves help maintain blood sugar levels by improving insulin function. 8. Improves liver health. Eugenol protects the liver from toxins and reduces inflammation, supporting overall liver function. 9. Enhances bone health. Cloves contain manganese, which plays a role in bone formation and helps prevent bone loss. 10. Improves oral health. Cloves' antibacterial properties help combat bad breath and prevent gum diseases. 11. Supports heart health. Cloves may reduce cholesterol levels and improve heart health by preventing the oxidation of lipids in the blood. 12. Relieves stress. The aromatic properties of cloves promote relaxation and reduce stress and anxiety. 13. Aids in weight loss. Cloves boost metabolism and improve digestion, aiding in weight management. 14. Helps fight infections. Their antimicrobial properties can combat bacterial, fungal, and viral infections. 15. Natural pain reliever. Clove oil acts as an analgesic for muscle pain, headaches, and other discomforts. 16. Improves skin health. Cloves' antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties help treat acne and other skin issues. 17. Boosts metabolism. The compounds in cloves enhance metabolic activity, which improves overall energy levels. 18. Fights cancer. Some studies suggest that eugenol in cloves may help slow the growth of cancer cells. 19. Supports hair health. Clove oil strengthens hair follicles and promotes hair growth, while reducing dandruff. 20. Helps treat ulcers. Cloves can protect the stomach lining and help manage peptic ulcers due to their anti-inflammatory properties. Nutritional facts. Per 100 grams. Calories. 274. Carbohydrates. 65 grams. Protein. 6 grams. Fat. 13 grams. Fiber. 34 grams. Calcium. 632 milligrams. Iron. 11.8 milligrams. Magnesium. 259 milligrams. Vitamin C. 0.2 milligrams. Vitamin K. 141.8 micrograms. Manganese. 60.1 milligrams. Uses of cloves cooking. 2. Add to curries, soups, and baked goods for flavor and aroma. 2. Teas and infusions. Brew clove tea to soothe digestion and coughs. 3. Clove oil. Use for massages, pain relief, or treating toothaches. 4. Home remedies. Combine clove powder with honey for cold and sore throat relief. 5. Aromatherapy. Use clove oil in diffusers to relieve stress and purify the air. Cloves are a powerhouse of health benefits and an essential addition to a healthy lifestyle. Please help our channel to grow by liking, sharing and subscribe. Thank you.